Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to tell you about a new feature that we have within Insider Access in the Discord server, and it's one that I know everybody loves from years of featuring this on X, and that is a day trade setup finder. So that's something that posts daily, and it works much like my X ideas do. And in fact, it's the same data set, same algorithms that we run, and it's my work going into it that finds the setups for day trades. And this is something that is a new channel and is populated regularly, and it looks just like this. So you see Trade Setup Finder, you can also see it's also named Day Trade Alerts, and this is just an example from today. I'm recording this. This was on June 22nd, last evening, for today's trades. So of course, yesterday was a Sunday, today's a Monday that I'm recording this, and we had two here. I've redacted two others. They didn't trigger, and they could be in play tomorrow. So obviously, out of respect for current Insider Access members, but I want to tell everybody about it. This is going to be regular, and we'll take a look at these two trades. So we had Hood, that's Robinhood at 74.35, and the way that it works is bullish at 74.35. That's a support zone, and when it's bearish, of course, that means your rejection zone is $84, and that's on Uber. So we'll take a quick look, and as you can see here, perfect, almost to the penny here, and then a really strong move on Robinhood. That's a big move, and these are options trade ideas for intraday trading, and still shooting into the after hours. And then we'll take a look at the Uber idea here, and that was for a rejection at $84, as you can see. And you can see I have some markups on it. This is something that I shared within Discord as we were discussing the trade idea today. It gets up to $84. You see that at 84, we have a strong rejection down from Uber. Breaks back up to 84. You see the move down. That's a decent move down, but then we get a much better move, and it almost acts as 84 is a proverbial brick wall. Of course, not literally here, but just as we move to 84, really, really strong rejection zone, and then we get the big rejection down before the markets have a sharp rally towards the end of the day. And then the last one, of course, this is everybody knows about our algo live stream that we have on the S&P 500. This is on SPY, and this is just from last Friday. Last Friday, we absolutely nailed the biggest move of the day here, and that starts at 598. You got the arrow. It's really straightforward. The way that it works is there's an arrow telling you that we're on the move down. That's when the algo triggers. Sometimes you'll start to see one form and it fails, and we'll have ideas that set up, but they don't quite go through. But once it's locked in, you'll see an arrow appear. And not only that, if you're sort of away from your keyboard sort of thing, there's an audible chime as well, so you hear the audible chime. I'm not narrating, and of course this is working off of my algorithm and my team's algorithm, and we have multiple different models that we update into a live stream. And this is just an example of the last one that we had. We haven't recapped today's action just yet, but this was on Friday. Absolutely nailed the move here from about 597, and then that crushes down to 593 before there's any kind of rebound. Obviously, trading options, that's a great move. So two of the newer features that we have just for those who are active traders, and we still have our analysis or our long-term trade ideas, a lot of really, really positive ones, our outlooks, our analysis on the stock markets, the macro, so on and so forth. But I just wanted to get those two new features out to show everybody and let you see how they work. All right, guys, that's it. Have a great night.